In a land of rolling hills and sparkling rivers, there was a hidden cave filled with glowing crystals. These crystals had special powers and could grant the wishes of those who found them. Two siblings, Emma and Noah, discovered the cave during one of their adventures. Emma saw the crystals as a way to help others. She wished for things like food for the hungry and homes for the homeless. Noah, however, thought the crystals were meant for personal adventures and wished for things like flying boots and a magical sword. One day, they met a dragon named Spark, who guarded the cave. Spark believed the crystals should only be used for the most selfless wishes. Emma agreed and wanted to wish for a cure for a sick village nearby. Noah thought it was time to wish for a grand adventure for them to enjoy together. After talking, they decided to use the crystals to help the village first. They wished for a cure, and the crystals glowed brightly, sending healing light to the village. The villagers were healed, and in gratitude, they invited Emma, Noah, and Spark to a grand feast. Comprehension questions. How does Emma view the crystals in the cave? Emma sees the crystals as a way to help others by making selfless wishes. What kind of wishes does Noah want to make with the crystals? Noah wants to make wishes for personal adventures, like flying boots and a magical sword. What is Spark's belief about the use of the crystals? Spark believes the crystals should only be used for the most selfless wishes. You can get a physical copy of the story for additional practice. Please see the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss a character's perspectives in a literary text story. I'll see you next time.